Today we're looking at type conversions. So to get started, I'm going to be using the input function to try and find the user's age. The way I would do this is age equals in enter your age. And then on the next line, our goal is to find the user's birth year. So to do that, I'm going to write birth underscore year equals 2023 minus age. The reason I'm doing 2023 is because it's the current year. And then I'm going to do print birth year. Okay. I'm going to run and see. Okay, the reason that there was an error, it says it here, subtracting an int and a string. So what it's saying is that this 2023 is an integer and age is a string. So the interpreter's getting confused because it doesn't know how to subtract different kinds of values. So the way to fix that is that we put int and then a bracket in front of input and then another bracket. And that should convert the age, the string, into an integer. Okay, enter your age, 15. 2008. Okay, guys, that's it for now.